Welcome to Amish Sense. Today I'm going to show you how you can butcher a quail and then take the skin out and make it ready for your dinner or lunch, whatever. So here we have some very nice quails, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one, and I'm going to do this butchering by halal or kosher way. So in that case, what you do, you don't cut the whole neck. Some people, what they do, just use this quail and smack on the wood, or they just hit their head, they go conscious and then cut the neck. But in kosher or halal way, you don't do that. So you could take the quail and then you cut the half of the neck and let it bleed. So all the blood comes out from body, from the heart and everywhere. So then the meat is more healthy to eat. So this is what you are going to do. You're going to put your thumb here and the finger index finger here, and see the neck right there. So you hold it like that, and then you're going to cut it. Okay, so let's do it. So the neck is very small, so you don't want to be cutting too much. Just cut the way the blood start coming out, and I'm going to put in the cooler and let them all the blood come out. I'm going to go ahead and do another one. So in this case, they're easy to handle. They're not hard, so you just hold it in one hand, and then you have this your finger index coming down there, and then your thumb on top of it. It's ready to go, and you butcher it. So blood will come out. You don't want to cut your finger. So once the blood start coming, it's all good. So our quail is ready. We butchered by kosher way and all that. Now it has the feathers and everything, and I'm going to take the skin out. So what I need the sharp scissors. So if you have any scissor at the home, the bigger one is good, and especially with these things on top of it, that really helps. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to cut the leg. So easy to cut the leg, very small leg. I love these birds. They're really tasty and healthy. They have a lot of good protein for you. Now you cut that one. Second, what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut the wings. So if you don't eat whole lot wings, they're small wings, so you can cut from here. So this part will be gone. But I'm gonna cut it at the end and show you how it looks. So go for it. There is not a whole lot meat in the wings. So right here, cut that one. Now there is not wrong or right way from here. Most of the time, you can start from anywhere. So there, the skin is very soft. I will just hold the neck, and from there, I will take this skin, and we will just go from there. So wherever you can put the hand, and from there you can take the skin out. So right there. Oh, sorry. Here. Take the skin out. See, this is a really soft skin. So I don't really care like you have to do it here or here. So it's not hard to work with. These are not chicken or anything. You can take the skin from anywhere and just work it through. So you're right there, and on the other side you're going to see that skin here. So just take the skin with this part.
Do you want my help?
No, I'm good. I'm good. So here, just take this one, and the skins comes out. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take these feathers with the skin from the wings. Very easy to do it. And then again, easy. As I'm demonstrating, I'm taking my time to show you guys, but very easy to work with. Very soft skin. Here is just take these feathers out, all good. And now you cut the neck. So let's cut the neck here. Or you can use a knife. I'm using this one. Now from here, you can make a cut here, right next to the legs here, and it is all exposed now. So you have right here, and then just do like this, And once you do that, you're gonna have some liver and some heart. So heart is very small. Some people eat the heart. I do that too. If I have time, I will do that, but it takes a whole lot of time to clean that. So I'm gonna get the whole thing out. So this is sometimes it can be female, but it's okay. Here, take the scissors again and cut this part like this, So you cut this from here and make it all the way work like that. It's all clean now, and you take this guts out from the neck. Just clean the neck, and I'm gonna wash it quickly so you can see it's all good now and ready to go eat. some healthy meal right there. Just clean it, little fat or whatever the things are left. So good here. Get the water. I'm gonna just clean this part here. Now let's wash it. And all the feathers came out right there. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hand. And now, see this small, even after washing it, there is some small part to it. You can use your index finger and then clean it so this all guts come out, you know. So your washing is good. So this stuff, you know, comes out, and now you're all done here. And we'll give a wash again, and that's it. So, two quails will be pretty good for you to eat in a meal with some vegetables. That's what I like, you know, because they're small birds. So one is okay. If you have two, that's enough protein for you for a day. So really good stuff. You know, this is how it is going to look. So thanks very much for watching. Subscribe if you like.